What's up YouTube? X26 Kicks. Just doing a quick video. Trying to reorganize some shoes. This is my main closet in my room. I got a spare bedroom that I'm working on, making like more of a shoe room, music room, stuff like that. Went and picked up some drop front face boxes from the Container Store, and we're gonna hook it up in the closet. Let's get it. Alright, so I hooked up the 6 boxes in there. Looks good so far. I probably got enough for maybe 4 more, maybe 6 more boxes. It's a double wide closet, so the other half is for the wife, but like I said, I'm going to be putting these in the other room eventually once I get some more stuff for the walls and just the overall better setup, get some more lighting set up and stuff like that. Sorry about the audio quality, shitty, but that's looking good. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. I'm gonna be doing some more slowly but surely, trying to grow the channel a little bit and let you guys get to know me. So once again, X26 Kicks, I'm out.